Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to send Dogecoin from Kucoin to Kraken in 2025. Whether you're a beginner looking to move your assets or a seasoned trader optimizing your portfolio, this guide will make the process simple and stress-free. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Kucoin and Kraken and that you've enabled two-factor authentication for security. It's a must in the crypto world. Start by logging into your Kucoin account. Once you're in, head over to the Assets or Wallet section. Here, you'll find your Dogecoin balance. Look for the Withdraw button next to it. Now, select Dogecoin from the list of cryptocurrencies. You'll need to enter the amount you want to withdraw. Remember, always double-check the minimum withdrawal limits and any network fees. Dogecoin typically uses the Doge network, so keep an eye on those costs to avoid surprises. Before you proceed, switch over to your Kraken account. Log in and go to the Funding or Deposit section. Search for Dogecoin and generate or copy your unique deposit address. This is crucial. Never use an address from another crypto, as it could lead to lost funds. Back on Kucoin, paste the Kraken deposit address into the withdrawal form. Double-check everything: the address, the amount, and the network selection to ensure it matches, like Dogecoin on the Doge network. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to approve it via email or 2FA. Once submitted, the transaction will be broadcast to the blockchain. In 2025, processing times are usually fast for Dogecoin, but it might take a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion. Head back to Kraken and refresh your wallet to see your Dogecoin arrive. And just like that, you've successfully transferred your Dogecoin. Always monitor your transactions on a blockchain explorer for peace of mind. If you run into any issues, both exchanges have support resources. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.